What up? Beautiful day in Okinawa. Today I have a chill day because I kind of busted up my rib. And yeah, and I've been trying to record my training, but it's kind of hard to focus on vlogging and training at the same time. And most of the time when I'm training, my back is unfortunately facing the camera, so you can't really see anything. So I figured, like, why include a training vlog when it's just gonna be garbage footage? So I'm gonna try my best to record as much as I can when I can and stuff like that. But yeah, Okinawa's been good so far, you know? And I finally got a rest day. It's just been training, wake up, go to the dojo, you know, network a little bit with some karate people. Really good stuff. Let's go have some fun. What up,
What's up?
Haha. Yeah, with my good friend here, we're gonna go explore fun Okinawa. So
I'm from Denase. Yeah. Okinawa. Kokusai-dori.
International Street.
Yes.
Let's go. Getting some Mexican food up in Okinawa. It's a pretty cool spot. Cheers, man. Thank you.
Go cooking.
In them tacos.
Tacos.
That was super satisfying. Mexican food. That's what's up. Anyways, going on to the next beach. Let's go.
This how you do it where I'm from.
So I hit him with a dough.
Yes. Okay, my turn. I'm gonna try. Yeah. I have to.
Are you okay?
I'm gonna try with a busted rib.
Oh shit. Broken.
No way. Not with my rib condition. Yeah, and there's no way. Ah. That sucks. Like I cannot do anything with like my ribs being all bruised up from getting kicked and punched.
So a lot of it, you kind of gotta like put your arms above your head like an orangutan,
Oh, I see.
and then kind of like use them as like the counterbalance, and then of course your opposite leg as a counterbalance too.
できそうやけどな。できる。できない。てかやってないけど、多分できないと思う。
Wow.
Okay,
what about, like-
better without socks? Feeling the lines a lot makes it a lot easier.
All right.
Sit down in it. When it's
wobbly for the first couple minutes just because it's using those like
The stabilization muscles and stuff like that. Yeah.
use a lot. So it's like it'll be wobbly for the first couple of times. Put your leg out and you just gotta
I got it for like a split second more that time. This is good stuff. Good training.
Andrew. My friend.
Oh.
Yes.
How you doing? Nice to meet you.
Andrew.
Yeah.
Andrew.
Yoroshiku
My name is Tsupi.
Tsupi.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, bro. Nice to meet you.
It's easier with house shoes. Yeah.
Oh no. He's like.
It'd be safer if you start at the head of the bracket.
Start here.
take your socks off because it'll be slippery with the socks.
He's like, forget this.
No. 嘘ね。あいつら。
な、なにこれなにめっちゃパリピカメラ持ってる
何ちゃん何ちゃん？
私、春菜です。
春菜ちゃんとカルロスが案内する沖縄アメリカンビレッジイエーイ。
アメリカンビレッジイエーイ。パリピ。
何これ？
これはショールームって言って動画配信してます。そうはい、お名前は何ですか？じゃあインタビュー。はい、インタビュー。はい。
My name is Yasu.
My name is
Yasu
とカルロス。Yeah。
そして
カナダの
メイドインカナダ。
メイドインカナダ。
私は名前はアンジュです。
おー、グッジャパニーズ。
声が可愛い。
私はカナダから来ました。
カナダから来たの？
空手留学みたいな感じ。
空手留学すごい。ですか？
フェイマスプレイヤ
ー。おお。
いやいや。
強そう。
そしてプロのカメラマンです。こっちは。
そうなんだ。
プロのカ
メラマンさん、みんな沖縄に住んでるんですか？
Yes。
あ、すごいすごい。何で集まってるんですか？じゃないですよ。
でもなんかアイドルっぽい活動してんじゃないの？
今ちょっとそういう感じの活動をしてます。沖縄の人かっこいいって。沖縄の人じゃないけど。
沖縄じゃねえし。
関西
大阪って関西人。たこ焼き毎日食べてる人。
はい。誰がたこ焼きみたいな顔や。
たこ焼きみたいな顔。
なんか見てる人増えてる？
見てる人増えてますよ。
マジで
？227人。
We're like camera bombing her live feed. It's so funny.
ケイちゃんさんいいっすね。
沖
なんかみんな質問ある？この方たちに。カルロスさんとアンジュさんとアンドリューさんと
ヤスです。
芸人より面白い。
ある意味そうかもしれない。
ごめんなさい、もう呼び止めちゃって。リラコさん、タコなしたこ焼きさん。
たこ焼きさん？
俺？
タコが。
Respect
すごいね。
to all of your fans.
プロのカメラマン。
カメラマンと空手家。
カメラマンと
これのカメラの会社の名前です。
カメラの会社の名前ってみんな検索してみて。
デジタルキックス。
ケイちゃんさん、そちらは何の活動をしてるんですか？じゃあみんな検索してあげて。じゃあありがとうございます。
じゃあ連絡待ってるな。
はい。
おきに。
Such a random day today. What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
Oh yeah.
Great day today, though, but a little bit of random. We went to 2 beaches. Now we are. Where are we?
The next beach is over there.
Oh, next beach?
Yeah, Sunset Beach.
Sunset Beach. And this area is also called American Village because the American base is somewhere close to here. American Village.
Walk into my Escalade. Tell them boys I'm not afraid. Now let me welcome everybody to the Wild Wild West.
What's up?
Yo, yo, yo.
Showtime. Where from? Where from? まあ日本人なんやけど、どこ行くの？
He's so funny.
It's funny.
He's hilarious. He's so funny. They're just walking away. They're like, I don't even care. Yeah, I know. I saw a cat. He's still talking to them. New friends. What?
YouTube?
YouTube.
YouTube?
YouTube.
YouTube? YouTube?
めっちゃええ画像やんこれ。
Cyber Japan. Girls.
違う恥ずかしいそれはサイバージャパンが大好きなだけ好きなだけやからサイバージャパンって言われると恥ずかしい
Nice, nice, nice.
行きたい
I need a freaking haircut, man. I'm so scruffy. video.
あ、ビデオなん？
Yeah.
ビデオなん？
Vlogging.
これ何これ？あ、ビデオなんね。
Ice cream.
冷たいやつ食べたいね。アイスクリーム。
アイスクリーム。
Ice cream for ice cream. Getting some ice cream.
I'm thugging in the club until I see the sun.
I don't know what they're doing. I don't know.
Are you drunk?
I don't know.
求めてたそれ。そういうのいいよ。
Peace out.
Peace out.
Till next time.
Alright.